Trying to get a storm. If I could open the gate. My plants are getting all knocked over, but I don't care. It's wild outside. I love this. And I was just sitting at my table feeling sorry for myself. We got some down stuff. Oh, yeah, some of my plants aren't looking. Whipping around the building. This is nature, guys. Holy shit. Wow. Okay, so the full moon candle's out for now, okay? But that's okay. I'm gonna reignite it. Remember I said something about arrested development today? And how we just might run into that thunderstorm? What? We ran into a thunderstorm. I just left the greenhouse about an hour ago. We're gonna go assess storm damage after this. I mean, you can't, I don't know if you can appreciate how the wind is making a tornado around the buildings there. I know, Jip. I know, buddy. It's a bad storm. It's a bad storm. I know, sweetie. Huh. Just talking to Spirit. Just was wondering what the sound of the universe was. And I got an answer. Oh, man. This is really kind of a neat thing. I love this. So I just wanted to share. Remember how the daily message sometimes just comes to fruition? You can't even see. Never does the rain hit the glass. Never. And this, I believe, has everything to do with the smell of orange. So the connection is pretty strong right now. So I'm gonna bail. I'm gonna do some writing. I'm gonna figure this out. And I'm gonna rescue my cannabis plant. I think it's down. At least some of these. Wow. Hey, the catters are fine. Okay, you see? They're in their thing. I'm gonna open this, okay? I'm gonna open it. We're good. Oh, I left my bag out. They're gonna be fine, you guys. They're gonna be fine. I'll take care of them. Did not see this coming, but maybe I smelled it coming. Maybe it's going in.